Elsewhere, a women and girls' rights group in Isiolo County is raising the red flag over an upsurge of sexual and gender-based violence cases in the region during the COVID-19 pandemic period. Isiolo Women of Faith Network says teenage pregnancies and early marriages are also said to be on the rise, and victims are finding it difficult to report to authorities due to existing restrictions to curb spread of the coronavirus. This and more stories in news making headlines in the counties.
It is during an open day forum that brought various stakeholders from the national and county governments, interfaith, youth, religious leaders and civil society organizations. The chairperson Isiolo Women of Faith Network, Halima Dida, noted things have turned south since the COVID-19 pandemic hit the country. She noted directives to have people stay at home, while many have lost their jobs, has led to an increase in conflicts that result to domestic violence, mental and emotional torture.
Tumeangalia zile ni nini inasababisha pengine hizi migogoro ama mambo ya gender based violence katika familia.
Meanwhile, over 20 higher education institution managers from universities in the Lake Region Economic Bloc have met in Masinde Muliro University for a national forum. The meeting aims to discuss challenges in ensuring economic sustainability in a changing higher education landscape. It is organized by Masinde Muliro University, KBC University, and Moi University.
So the participants come from about 10 universities in Lake Basin region, and they participate more in administration and also in academic programs in the institution.
Now CBC is as you are aware, is a system of education that this country has adopted. It's based on competency-based curriculum, in which we expect the learners to be able to show competencies in what they are learning.
And 20 school heads in Kiambu County have been feted after successfully completing a 4-year comprehensive program to transform their learning institutions to digital schools. They urge schools already provided with ICT infrastructure to make good use of them by enrolling learners to technology-related lessons. In Mandera County, the Ministry of Health has exonerated itself of any blame following the death of an expectant mother at Mandera County Hospital in what her family claims is a case of negligence. CEC for Health in Mandera County, Dr. Mohamud Eda, said the doctors did their best but were unable to save the life of the patient who was brought to the facility in critical condition.
Her pelvic examination shows she had a 4-centimeter dilatation with caput, showing that this mother's pelvis could not, even in normal circumstances, not able to push that baby. And meconium stain liquor grade 2. Immediately at MCRH, she was put on high flow oxygen. Suction was done of the secretions.
Elsewhere, the United States Embassy has developed a digital learning program for primary school-going children with a view of improving access to education across the country. Speaking during a visit in Kilifi County, American Ambassador to Kenya, Kil Makata, said the program seeks to ensure learning continues following the closure of schools in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic.
On how we're going to connect every school. And this is... we think this is going to make a difference for children. So we look forward to introducing that to your county. Right now, we're going to pay 50% of it.
Finally, youth in Kisii have been urged to embrace national values to propel them into future responsible citizens. Kisii Diocese Anglican Church Bishop John Omangi challenged young people to focus on what they can do to steer the country into prosperity. He spoke while launching a book titled Surprised by God that aims at inspiring young people.